Hey there folks, Grant Schubert down here at Donnelly Ford Lincoln, back at it again with another video. And we are doing another before and after video on this 2018 F150 Platinum. And you're going to want to stay tuned because we are going over the top with the accessories on this truck. That's right folks, this is the before and after video on this beautiful 2018 Ford F150 Platinum, which comes very well loaded, and as mentioned, my customer is doing some very sweet customizations to this truck. So as mentioned again, very well equipped truck. You get the power deploying running boards. As soon as you open up the door, it goes ahead and drops down the board for you. You have multi-contour seats on both the passenger and the driver's seat. What that is actually massaging seats. That's right folks, these seats will massage you all the way to Toronto, or if you're just doing a quick trip around the city, that is definitely nice. The Platinum gets this custom leather as well as the Platinum badge there. Heated and cooled seats in the front, heated steering wheel. You get the B&O Play sound system on this one. We've got heated seats in the back. We've got dual USBs, all of the charging ports. So again, everyone is able to charge all of their devices. Now, this was a factory order, so again, my customer went ahead and picked exactly the truck he was looking for. We've got the long box, we've got the big trailer tow mirrors, and just wait until you see this truck when all the work has been completed. I guarantee you, and I know I've said this before, but I guarantee you this truck will look completely unrecognizable. So stay tuned and let me know any questions you have down in the comments. All right folks, so what we're gonna do here is we're actually gonna take the tailgate off of this truck. Many people don't know, but if you put the truck on a tailgate on a 45-degree angle, you can pull it out just like so and actually slide it right off. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna set this down for some custom paint work. Check it out, it's gonna look sweet. So as you can see, we've got the tailgate back from the body shop. A little bit more details to do on that, but I think the paintwork came out really good. As you're gonna see the word Platinum there. We actually have some custom decals coming that'll be chrome, and that'll again tie in with the rest of the body there a little bit better. So obviously the Supercharger is done. We're working on the lift kit as we speak. We've got a couple more details to do on the body. And then this vehicle is going to be all set for delivery. So again, stay tuned and let me know any questions you have down below. And if you are interested in what goes into installing this 6-inch lift kit, you'll see a little bit more detailed walkthrough in my previous before and after video. So go check that out if you want to see the installation of the lift kit. Another unique feature on this truck is going to be these traction bars. Now, when we added the supercharger, the front end has a tendency to want to pull up a little bit when you really stomp on it. So these guys are again just going to help it sit down on the road a little bit, give it a little bit more traction, obviously in the name, and again send a little bit more of the power to the back wheels. So we'll show these guys being installed. This is going to get bolted actually right into the frame. Again, going to make this truck really solid. As you can see, we have a lot of progress made on this truck. The lift kit is completed, and we've got those 37-inch tires on there. So you can see this guy is sitting up like a monster truck. Absolutely beautiful. So you can see we've got the fuel rims on there. Nice dark tarnished steel on that, so it gives a really good look. And then as I come around the front here, you'll see that we've changed out the grille. So now it's got the black mesh grille, which looks really, really sharp on that front end. A little bit of work left to do. As you can see, we've got the fender flares to go on. We've got a couple more body pieces to go on, a little bit more to do, and then we'll be all set. So again, guys, we're getting close. So here we have it, folks. It is delivery day today, and boy oh boy did this truck come out well. As you can see, obviously we've added those beautiful custom rims and tires, that really sweet Roush decal on the back. We've added the fender flares. We've added this beautiful mesh grille, which came out really well. We've got the hood scoop on there. And again, guys, this truck is just beautiful. The one thing that you can't really see from the outside is the supercharger. So I'll go ahead and just pop the hood open and show you how that guy came out, because it turned out really well. And then I'll start it up for you as well, because it sounds absolutely beautiful. So again, guys, if this is something you're interested in, definitely get down to Donnelly Ford Lincoln. We can completely customize a truck that you're looking for. Anything that you're thinking about, we can definitely get it done for you. And just to top this video off, let me just start this truck up for you real quick. Show you that exhaust. Again, we've got the AEM booster gauge up there. We went over the top with this truck, and again, it came out very, very well. The custom paintwork on the back. Again, guys, if this is something you're interested in, definitely get down here, but check out this Borla. That is amazing. So again, guys, Grant Schubert down here at Donnelly Ford Lincoln. Send me an email and we can certainly set you up with any information you're looking for on a truck like this or any custom truck at all. I look forward to hearing back from you. Bye for now.